Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to merge two accounts in the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. If you've ever ended up with duplicate or similar accounts and want to combine them, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account and open the chart of accounts. Now, identify the two accounts you want to merge. For example, let's say you have software and subscriptions. If you'd like to keep software and subscriptions and merge the software account into it, here's what to do. Go to the account you want to remove, in this case, software. Hover over the settings, cog icon next to it, and click Delete. A pop-up will appear saying that you can't delete this account because it has transactions associated with it. Don't worry, that's where the bulk update option comes in. Click on the bulk update link. This will open a list of all the transactions linked to the account you're trying to remove. At the top, select all transactions by clicking the checkbox, then scroll down and click Update. Zoho Books will now ask you to choose a new account to assign these transactions to. From the drop-down menu, select Software and Subscriptions. Once selected, click Replace. You'll see a progress indicator, and within a few seconds, all the transactions will move into the account you're keeping. Now go back to your chart of accounts and check the account you emptied. You'll see it has no transactions. At this point, you can delete it or simply mark it inactive. After refreshing your profit and loss report, you'll now see all the transactions consolidated under software and subscriptions. And that's it. You've successfully merged two accounts in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Zoho tips, and I'll see you in the next one.